Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Nginx config and reload safely on Linux. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by accessing your Linux server via SSH. Use a terminal or command prompt for this. Log in as a user with sudo privileges or switch to the root user. Navigate to the Nginx configuration directory. Typically, this is located at /etc/Nginx. List the contents of the directory to locate the main configuration file. This file is usually named nginx.conf. Open the nginx.conf file with a text editor. Common text editors include Nano, Vim, or 6. For example, you can use nano/etc/nginx/nginx.conf. Review the current configuration for any specific changes you need. Make the necessary changes carefully. Ensure you maintain proper syntax and structure. After editing, save your changes and exit the editor. Before reloading Nginx, test the new configuration for errors. You can do this by running the command nginxt. If there are no errors, you will see a confirmation message. If there are errors, return to the configuration file to address them. Once the configuration test is successful, it's time to reload Nginx. This can be done with the command sudo system to reload Nginx. Alternatively, use sudo nginx reload. Confirm that Nginx has reloaded without issues. You can check the status of Nginx by running sudo system status nginx. Look for any error messages in the output. If everything is working correctly, your updates are now live. To verify functionality, conduct a few tests on your web application. Check various endpoints to ensure they are responding as expected. Monitor the Nginx error logs for any unexpected issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.